Hey, I know getting instant result is not a question or an issue for you, but the results only last for 1 or 2 hours after the acupuncture, and the patient complained that pain come back in 1 or 2 hours. That's not good. So what is a strategy to extend the result, to make the results last longer? In balanced method acupuncture, you need to apply global balance. So in my class, on this date in Malaysia and on this date in New Zealand, I'll show you how to do global balance to extend the results. And we will see when you apply this strategy, and the result will extend from 1 to 2 hours to up to 24 or 48 hours. That's great, isn't it? So the workshop costs you 1349, and you'll receive a gift of 1349, and as well as a discount credit for 1349. So in total you receive 4047. That's great, isn't it? Now, but you're not going to pay 1349. For early bird, you only pay 1149. What are you waiting for? Find the link around this video and sign up today.